Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the Earth in Blender. Here is the final render. Go and add a sphere because the Earth is clearly a sphere. Unless you're a flat earther. In the Shading tab we're going to add the color map of the Earth. You can download the textures from the link in the description down below. If you want, you can get 80K textures of the Earth.
Oh, no, no.
What?
No, 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 don't do that!
But 8K should be good. Plug the color into the base color. Space is dark. So go and change the world settings and change the color to black. Now, let's add sunlight. Double tapping R, we can rotate the light in any direction. Shade smooth the Earth. To make the Earth more smooth, add a subdivision modifier. To make the Earth look like it's not like a flat image, we need to add a bump map. It may look like nothing happened, and that's because we need to change the scale. Go and change the displacement from bump only to displacement and bump. You may have noticed that there is something wrong with our Earth, and that is that the light is too reflective. To fix it, you need to add a separate color node, an add node, a greater than node, and finally add a map range node and plug it into the roughness. But make sure that you have the same settings that I have. Now you can see the light is now fixed. To give the Earth a true realistic feel, change the color space from sRGB to non-color. To add clouds, duplicate the Earth and scale it up. Change the name to clouds. Delete the material and create a new one. Import the clouds texture. Add a subsurface scattering node, transparent BSDF node, and a mix shader to make the clouds more cloud-like. Change the color space to non-color. Finally, let's add the atmosphere. Duplicate the Earth and scale it up. Make a new material. Add a volume scatter node. Now all you have to do is hit render.